What's up, beauties? Welcome to the Kendy Jane Beauty channel. This is the home of the Bindi babes. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at some Boxyluxe sneak peeks. Yes, I am so excited. September is coming quickly. We have Boxyluxe in September. Our September Boxyluxe will be worth up to $500. That is amazing. So if you're not a Luxe member and you want to upgrade to Boxyluxe, now's the time to do it. Before we get into what the products are in the Luxe box, let's talk about the calendar. Now, August the 10th, we will be able to pick our Luxe Choice item. Then on August 13th, we have our Premium Choice item. Then on August 10th, Boxy Pop-Up. We have a Boxy Pop-Up that will open up. If you forget when Boxy Pop-Up is, it's always the second month of a quarter. So we'll have one in August and then again in November. So if you're starting your Christmas shopping, that'll be a great time. Boxy Pop-Up is when you can purchase items that are up to 70 to 80% off their retail price. You cannot buy products that are this good for this cheap anywhere else. Even if you go to Marshalls or TJ Maxx, they're all you got to watch what you buy there because they're always picked through. These are brand new products. So remember, if you forget when choice is, you can always get on my email notification list. I have a Bindi Babe email notification list, and what I do is the morning of choice, I start watching for when it's going to be open, and as soon as it opens, I notify everybody by email saying, hey, choice is open. You can go pick your choice item now. That way you can get in before they run out of all the good products. And I'll do the same for add-ons and pop-up. So if you want to get in, all you need to do is email me at kendyjane18@gmail.com. All that's required is that you are subscribed to my channel. And I ask if you have Instagram, please follow me there also. And just email me and say, hey, can you put me on your list? And I will be happy to do so. Okay, let's take a look at these products that we are already seeing for our September 2020 Boxyluxe. The way they're showing these three products is they have an or between them. So these three are either a variation or they may be a choice item for the Boxyluxe. The first product is by Pharmacy Beauty. It's the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola Cherry. We did see this as a sneak peek earlier in the year. This sells for $45 for a half an ounce. And let's see, it gets 230 reviews with a 4.2 out of 5 stars, which is not bad. Anything over 4 I call very good products. Now what this is a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles, delivering instant radiance. It's for all skin types, normal, dry, combination, and oily. It will help your fine lines and wrinkles, dryness, and dark circles around your eyes. And it has great ingredients. It also has the vitamin C in it. It has hyaluronic acid. So it's a really, really good product. Now the next item is from Kate Somerville. This is the first time we see something from her in Boxycharm that I remember. It's called the Exfoliate Intensive Pore Exfoliating Treatment. And it comes in several different sizes. This, out of 330 reviews, it gets a 4.4 out of 5. And what it is, it's a dual action exfoliator that smooths and polishes skin to reveal a natural glow. It's got lactic acid and fruit enzymes that'll clean clogged pores in as little as 1 use. So, and it says it's for all skin types, normal, dry, combination, and oiliness. It'll help your skin with dullness and uneven skin tone, pores, and fine lines and wrinkles. It has papaya, pineapple, and pumpkin enzymes that enhance the skin, and it helps exfoliate without over drying. It's got lactic acid, salicylic acid, and silica. It also has aloe vera, honey, and vitamin E that'll help smooth and soften the skin. Or you can possibly get the last product, which is by the brand Biro. It's the tomato serum. Out of 49 reviews, it gets like a 4.8 out of 5. This is a very pricey product. For 1 ounce, it sells for $150. You'll get youthful skin in a bottle. The tomato serum is a powerful anti-aging treatment that reveals radiant, youthful-looking skin. It gently exfoliating tomato extract resurfaces and perfects brightening. Vitamin C adds an instant glow, and collagen-boosting peptides diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, transforming your skin into a brighter, more youthful version of itself. This tomato serum is a highly concentrated treatment serum. The hydrating formula visibly reduces the appearance of imperfections and improves the look of the skin texture for a soft, smooth, and clarified complexion. It's for skin types normal, dry, oily, combination, and sensitive. And it'll help with dull, uneven skin, acne, blemishes, and aging. And it's a very natural product. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free. It's just a really good product. So this is going to be a hard one if we have to pick from these 3 items. So you got a really nice brightening eye cream that'll help with dark circles, or you can get an exfoliating product, or you can get a great natural anti-aging tomato serum, which is very unusual. This would be hard for me. I think I would have to either go with the Biro or the Pharmacy because of my skin type. But think about it before you might have to pick one of these for your choice item. Remember, I have all the details if you do want to subscribe to Boxycharm. I have all the codes. They have a new code you can use now. Pop-up 6 new 08 to get $6 to be able to buy a product at the Boxy pop-up. Plus they had 2 other products. I'll have all those codes under here. I'm not sure if they ran out of the Murad and the eyeshadow palette, but if you want to try it, if you join, try those first. If they don't work, then keep trying till you get the one you want. You know, you may have to try a different code, but I'll have all those codes listed for you. I want to remind everybody, Saturday is the Christmas in July. Me and Jenny Owens are collaborating to bring you ladies a beautiful, happy Christmas in July with over 20 products we'll be having game night for. So I want to make sure you all try to make it. It's Saturday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I can't wait. It's going to be lots of fun. And it's on my channel, Kendy Jane Beauty. So I hope everyone can be there. Also, we still have our giveaway going on for the month. The giveaway is 2 Too Faced Natural Luxe palettes. Beautiful palettes. I have a link to all the rules and regulations if you'd like to look at the rules. But mainly, you just need to be subscribed to my channel, set to public, and your comment is your entry. Watch all the videos, and the more you comment, the more of a chance you have of winning. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for watching. Let beauty transform you inside and out. And until next video, bye.